So let us read the problem. So question says we have two objects that is thrown from the same point. One is straight vertically up. So let us say this is the point from where objects are thrown. One of the object is thrown vertically up. Let us say this is my y-axis. So one of the object is thrown along the y-axis and the with velocity v0 that is given. And let us say this is my x-axis. So I will need this x-axis. So this is my x-axis. Another object is thrown at angle of 60 degree theta, and that is 60 degree given from the x-axis with the same velocity v0. What we have to find? We have to find after time t what is the separation between these two objects. Let us say one of the object after time t is here, and another object will follow a parabolic path. If you have some idea, let us say another object at this point, then we have to calculate what is the distance. Let us call this as a and this is b. So what is the distance between a b? So if I join a line between a and b, so a is here and point b is here, so we have to calculate the distance between a and b. So how will you proceed? So we'll use the vector approach. So let us find out the coordinate of a and coordinate of b and then use the coordinate formula. Are you getting or not? So easy. So what we will do, find out distance OA. So OA distance we can easily calculate. You can apply S is equals to ET plus half AT square formula. Now distance we have to calculate S. Initial velocity is given to you, that is V0. Time is also given and the acceleration is negative in this case. So we have to write minus half z. So coordinate of A is, now x coordinate is 0. So coordinate of A will be x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate this value, that is v0 t minus half zt square. Now we can calculate the coordinate of B similarly. In the x direction velocity is v0 cos theta. So let us calculate coordinate of B. So x coordinate will be, in the x direction velocity is v0 cos theta and the time is t, so this is the x distance. In the y direction distance traveled is, now in the y direction velocity is v0 sin theta, so ut, and the y direction we have acceleration z, that is minus half gt square. So coordinate of B will be, x is v0 cos theta t and y coordinate is v0 sin theta t minus half gt square. Now we can calculate distance AB simply using formula under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this is the formula in coordinate geometry you have already know. So x1 is 0 minus x2 is v0 cos theta t, so this is whole square plus y1 minus y2, so this is v0 t, and you see half gt square minus here we have, basically this term will be cancelled, and minus v0 sin theta t plus half gt square. Are you getting? So if I simplify this one, so this becomes simply v0 square cos square theta t square, and this becomes v naught t minus v naught sine theta t whole square. So if you take v naught t common outside, so we can write v naught t outside, and inside the root you have cos square theta here, and plus here you will have v naught t we have taken common, so 1 square plus here we have sine theta, sine square theta, and then we'll have minus 2 sine theta. Are you getting? If you do more simplification, you will have v naught t under root sine square theta plus cos square theta 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 sine theta. So if we simplify even more, so we will have v naught t under root 2 into 1 minus sine theta. So this is the distance between the 2 points A and B. So this is the distance between two objects after time t. So if you can plug the numerical values and then you can calculate the numerical value. Time is given 1.7 and theta is also given 60 degree and v naught is 25. So you can plug the value and calculate the actual distance. What is the distance that is coming? Numerical value can always calculate. So important point in this problem we can approach this kind of problem by vector approach. So it is good idea we can write coordinate of point A in terms of vector, that is a x coordinate and y coordinate easily, and similarly we can write x coordinate and y coordinate for point B, and then after this everything is simple mathematics, no more physics.